I think it's got. Don't you? Hey, say hello to everybody on my channel. What the heck? This is,
He's talking to you.
do you have stage fright?
It's back or something. I don't understand. He has his head all the way turned around.
Okay, something's with this bird.
There he goes.
You're being recorded. It's just, yeah, we were. Isn't this? It's being nuts.
He is nuts.
This is the same day as we record the thing about the soap, the salt soap, and the Christmas rain. Can you check your phone to see what time it is?
11:03.
Do you think we should go to McDonald's and go back?
Whenever you want to. Got a little time.
Uh-huh. All right. See you. And give a chirp to everybody and a term goodbye instead of your birthday. Go on. It's because we're actually about to leave. Go on. All right. He apparently doesn't want to, but I'll actually say goodbye anyway. Thank you for watching. As Articus out. Bye.